tickets issued by National Rail are valid on London Tram Link. Please check your ticket carefully. Make sure it either states to or from Tramlink or has zone 3, 4, 5 or 6 validity. If you are travelling on a ticket not valid on the trams, you are liable for a penalty fare. London Overground services to Highbury and Islington via the city.